And of course, that's what marriage is all about. It's being part of someone's world and knowing that what you do has an impact on how they feel. It's being supportive and strong, but also taking help when you need it. Lucy and Ewan, when you get married, you're building on what you already have. You're already best friends, soulmates, but today you add new titles, husband and wife. When you have someone you want to build a life and a home with, who makes you happy and looks after you in ways you didn't even know existed, you should marry them, and you should do it right now.